How to find and view Bixby conversation history on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then we swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and tap on advanced features. After that, tap on Bixby. Then tap on the more button. From the pop-up, tap on conversation history. Now in the list here, you can scroll down and view all your Bixby conversation history. Now it will group by today, tomorrow, weekly, and monthly. So you can scroll down and view all the conversation history with Bixby. At the top here, you can tap on the more button. Then you can tap on clear all, or you can tap on delete and select which items that you want to remove from your history. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.